Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my dear students of class 9 and 10 of Badrinath High School. How are you? I hope that all of you are well and taking preparation for your upcoming examination. Dear students, in your last class, I showed you grammatical item. Today, I am going to teach you the topics of writing test. That means CV writing. This is a part of your short syllabus prescribed by you, by the government. Dear students, CV writing. First of all, I want to show you what is CV. What is CV? CV. Its abbreviation is curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae. Dear students, this is a very interesting topic for you. I want to welcome all of you to my today's online English writing test class. Dear students, it is very much important because after completing your education, you want to get a good job, then you need to write an effective CV. Now, you must know how to write a CV. At the very beginning, I want to show you what is CV. The CV is meant to introduce you and your background to somebody who does not know you. It should present you in the best possible light, in a concise and well-structured manner. Dear students, first of all, I show you 3 questions regarding CV writing. These questions are: why is CV important? Why is CV important? B. What is the basic purpose of writing a CV? What points should be included in CV? These 3 questions very much important related to your CV writing. First of all, why is CV important? CV is very much important. It presents you and your academic background to the owner or the authority, and this is a concise and well structured way to approach you to your authority who will give you a good job. Dear students, you present you to somebody who does not know you, but your CV can present you properly. So, an effective CV writing is very much important for an employee. Next question: what is the basic purpose of writing a CV? Basic purpose of writing a CV is to show you properly to get a good job and to convince your authority to get a job, and this will make a relationships between you and your authority, that means job authority. Dear students, this is the basic purpose of writing CV. What point should be included in a CV? Dear students, a CV is very much important for your future career. So, an effective CV should be included 9 points must. And these 9 points are the information you need to provide in your CV are personal details, number 1. Number 2, objective. And number 3, academic achievements. Number 4, chronological order. Number 5, experience. 6, extracurricular activities. 7, language skills. 8, computer skills. 9, hobbies. Dear students, and your CVs should be included all these 9 points properly and accurately. First of all, I want to give a short description all of this. Number one, personal details. In your CV, you have to show your personal name, father's name, mother's name, your address, that means your date of birth, your photo, etc. Your etc. These are your personal details, and you should submit it properly. Number two, objective. You have to show the proper objective. What do you want to write? And you should state very concisely what you accurately want to do. Say something like to develop a career in, or you can be more specific like to obtain a position where, etc. You can use skillfully all these objectives clearly and accurately, and in a concise way. Number three, academic achievements. This is an important question for you. After your personal details, give details about your academic. It is suggested that you present details about education in reverse chronological order. That means you start with the latest degree and go gradually back. First of all, you have to put your latest degree and go gradually back. You should maintain all your academic achievements, including, that means grades, division, classes, etc. You should also mention scholarships and awards you received along with your achievements in co-curricular and extracurricular activities in your academic life. That means your academic background should be submitted in your CV properly and accurately. Number, chronological order. In your CV should be neat and clean and accurate. And you should not write something wrong or without serial, and whatever you like. You should write all your details in a chronological order. That means academic background, then chronological order, experience. In the advertisement, some companies or authorities want experience. What experience you have gathered, you have to put there. That means here you should include experience. If you have any relevant to the position you are applying for, you should show that you are a person who can take initiative, has creativity and is innovative. You should be able to convince the employers. You should be convince the employers that you will be the best pick for the job. You have to show it. Next, extracurricular activities, which is also another skill. If you are writing a professional and not academic CV, you should mention activities, programs you have attended, participated in. Some person are expert in writing, singing, playing, etc. This is an extracurricular activities you should include it in your CV writing. Next, language skills. This is very much important. Your employer may follow you how many languages, or you have a sharp skill in another language, that means your mother tongue, English, Arabic, etc. Nowadays, language skills very much important, and employers seek such kind of activities. So you have to follow your language skills. Computer skills. This is an age of science and technology. So computer skill is very much important. You have to show there. Last of all, your hobbies. Every man have some hobbies. You have to put it in this. List your hobbies if a space is left on the face. These are the usual components of a CV. Print the CV on a plain white paper. You should never send a CV without cover letter. It is very much important. And our CV and cover letter. Today's title or headline is CV and cover letter. And CV and cover letter are interrelated with each other. And you should never send it without cover letter. After this, I shall show you a cover letter and a sample CV writing to you. Send the CV with covering letter, a matching A4 size envelope. Now I am going to show you a sample CV writing. Here you should include your photo, curriculum vitae, Muhammad Shahadat Hussain, contact number. This is a model of CV writing, and in this way education qualification as an objective, permanent address, mailing address, full name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, nationality, gender, marital status, language proficiency, interest or hobbies, that means computer skill, education qualification, latest degrees, and going back SSC, MBS, accounting, BBS, honors accounting, HSC, SSC, reference, etc. In this way you can fulfill. Now cover letter. I am going to show you cover letter. In the advertisement, you saw an advertisement that for the post of a computer operator in a famous institution. So what should be the cover letter of it? Here you should start a cover letter in this way. Now I can quick. First of all, cover letter 1, you have to mention date. Cover letter, first of all you have to mention 22 March 2021 date. Next you have to start with the that means for the manager or the that means salutation. You have to start with the salutation to the forward. That means the chairman or managing director, etc. In this way, the headmaster of dash high school, the headmaster, the name of the office, etc. and its address. The chairman, then dash high school, Dagumbaya, Feni. Then this is the addressing. Then dear sir, in response to your advertisement published in the Daily Star, seeking application for the post of a computer operator in your institution, I offer myself as a candidate for the same, for your kind and sympathetic consideration. This is the cover letter. Then I will be looking forward to your responses. Then best regards, last of all, best regards, then you mention your name. This is the cover letter. And before writing CV, you have to complete your cover letter. In this way, you can complete your, this is the cover letter. This is the sample of a cover letter. Please follow. This is also a sample of a cover letter. Dear sir, here the librarian, Pabna Community Library, 15 Sodor Road, Pabna. Dear sir, I would like to apply for the position of the library assistant in library, advertised in the Daily Star on 25 November 2016. Please see my CV and other relevant papers sent to you as an attachment with this mail. I will be looking forward to your response. Best regards. This is a sample cover letter for you, please. In your textbook, you should follow it again and again. So I am hopeful that you will be benefited by observing this writing test class, that means CV class, and I am hopeful that you will be successful in your examination to write CV accurately and purely. So no more today. Stay healthy and stay strong. Thank you very much. Bye bye.